Hi and welcome to Tech Talks on Tuesdays. My name is Brian, your tech friend, and that's my rack. And this is my completely new setup where I actually sit down. I don't like it actually, but I gotta sit down for my rack to be shown. Enough to talk of that. Today we're gonna unbox the Moto G100. And as you can tell by the corners of this bandito, the corners have been somewhat beaten up, and that's because I bought it second hand. It got me a knockoff of 200 quids US dollars on this particular one. But I'm doing it just to share my enthusiasm because I love unboxings, and this is something of a package. It weighs like, I would say 1 kilo, perhaps 1.5 kilos, is something in that region. So let's see what's inside this box.
Tech Talks on Tuesdays.
I'm totally doing a new setup today because this is the Xiaomi Mi 11 that's filming, and normally I would be filming on the Asus Zenfone 7 Pro. We actually don't need a scissor because it's a used phone I bought. That's because that's the knocks and scuffs on it. So you can see here's the Motorola G100. Yeah, you can see here is the date is, it's produced the 12th of March 2021, and we are right now at the end of June 2021. So pretty new device, I would say. The most powerful Moto G ever. Ready for big screen gaming, video calls and more. Adjustable dock with integrated cooling fan included. That's like a treasure trove of loot you get in this box. Don't you think so? And let's see how much damage I will take for that $200 knockoff. But let's see how it's packaged. So you can see it's like into like 4 different parts. But let's just take them out one at a time. If anything goes out, oh, there's something that's coming out here. Let's see what that is. This one you can actually see. I think he haven't opened this one, so he's just tried the phone and not tried the dock at all. This we of course gotta try. We got the ready for USB-C to HDMI cable, instantly connect. Is this just such a big box for a USB cable? That I do not hope is the truth, Motorola. We'll unbox these very soon, but let's just take a look at the main feature here, which is of course the phone. Let's just take a look at the sides. First, a lot of small prints here. And by the way, it comes in these 3 different colors, like a black grayish one, a blue one, and this is actually white, even though it looks like light blue here. I just want to say I felt completely in love with this color, the white-ish color, when I saw it down in the store, and that's why I wanted this so bad when I saw this guy's. So let's see the state and nick the phone is in. He's been using it for 2 months. Oh, the reason why I absolutely love this color. I stood with this phone and had, it's like baby smooth. I would call this color baby smooth. It's actually a bit suave, like my shirt, isn't it? See, that looks like a phone I would have with this shirt on, right? Okay, so we got a power on off button here with finger authentication. We have volume up and down here, that's for sure. Then we have 2 buttons. We have the SIM card tray, and this I would suspect would be the Google Assistant. But let's just turn it on. It seems like the usual Motorola setup. Now it'll come out and say, "Hello Motorola, hey Moto." Okay, so it wants me to connect to a network, and this button ain't doing that much. Let's just shut this off so we can just take a good careful look at the screen. He said he had been using it for 2 months, so there should be like no scratches. Okay, and then we have the double selfie camera setup, as you can also see on the Moto G 5G Plus. That's such an easy name to remember. But it looks in absolutely mint condition, and what amount of money wouldn't you give for that, for this color? I mean, this color is like, that's the $400 out of the $500 retail, right? Look at how it changes the color depending on which way I point it. It's just brilliant. Hey, we forgot to look at the button, but there you have speaker, you have a mic, USB-C, and there you have the 3.5mm jack. It's so brilliant. I still have my best headphones with that, and you have a mic on the top also, of course. Let's just take a final look at what we have in the rest of the box. We have some leaflets, then you have the 20-watt charger, of course. That's a nice thing, nice touch by Motorola, it always says. And now, for the most stupid thing I've done in a long time, unboxing an HDMI cable, right? Why do they put this in a separate box? Like, if that should be something, this should be like gold plated or something, if they really want to like put it in a separate box. That is just stupid. This has gotta be pure gold. Immersive mobile gaming. Oh, this could actually be pretty good if this could connect to my giant screen. And then I could play PUBG Mobile on this phone. That would be amazing. Then I would surely kill everybody. I'm gonna try that out tonight, I think, actually. That's gonna be a must. Okay, but it really seems to have some quality to it, this one. So that's not like all fluff and just for the... Oh, it has some... Is this in fact gold covered? I think it is. Let's see. Yeah, that I would conclude that color is gold. Wow, take a look at this also. So this has got to be some very, very decent connectivity. I will surely use that with my gigantic monitor later. That's gonna be so fun. And then for our final package, they're ready for dock. So let's just make a quick... This is very cool. I mean, this is like a complete gavebod, as you would say in Danish, you know. Translate that. Okay, I'm gonna do this later also, but let's have a look at this. Okay, so there you have a USB-C mount on the very bottom. That of course is very nice because you can be charging. Okay, and this is adjustable for the width. Pretty interesting, as it should only fit this phone, I should guess. But it seemed like it was adjustable width. Yes, it is. You can see here. Oh, this has got some heft to it also. This is like, you know, when you stand this on the floor on the windowsill, in this case, you really got some heft to it. Let's just see if we can... I think this is the way to do it, but I'm not going to press it completely down until I read the manual. But then you have this one, and of course it connects with this one. Oh, magnetically, apparently, yeah. And then you're all set. Okay. So this is the docking station, and how it fans it, I do not know. But there seems to be... Okay, so there is some sort of grill here. That could be the fanning mechanism. Is there a fan in there? I think we have found a fan. Yes, there is a fan in there. So that's the fanning mechanism. It would mean that this would heat up and then the fan blows the heat away. Okay, so that would be like the only explanation with this. So that was the setup of the Moto G100 unboxing. A lot more of specs have hopefully been rolling across the screen as I unbox this. That's up to my editor. Please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the content you just saw. My name is Brian from Denmark, your tech friend, and this has been Tech Talks on Tuesdays. See you in the next one.